Hello everyone, I am Mustafa Hamza Tokmak. We will learn demonstrative pronouns in Kurdish in this lesson. Let's start. So, ev, it means this. El, it means that. So, ki, it means who, and ye is to be formed. So, when we say ev, kie, who is this? And okay, who is that? That's all. So let's learn some simple sentences. Ev Azad e. This is Azad. Ev Dilan e. This is Dilan. So when we ask something about people, we use key question, okay? Key question form. So let's continue. Okay. Who is that? Ki means who. Au means that. Ye means to be formed. Okay? Who is that? That is Rojda. Au Rojda, yeah. That is Rojda. So we have an extra note here. When we demonstrate something and if it is near, okay, if it is near and singular, we say av benusa, this is pencil. Av benusa, this is pencil. So if it is in plural form, we say ev benus in. The inflection changes. Okay, the same writing, same pronunciation, but inflection is changing. Okay, ev benusen. These are pencils. These are pencils. So if the thing or the things that we are demonstrate are far from us, we use ev form. Ev rojname ye. That is newspaper. That is newspaper and it is singular. Yekshmar means singular, perjumar means plural. And if it is in plural form and it's far, we say those in English. But in Kurdish, we say ev rojname ne. So as you see, inflections are changing according to plural and singular. But the verb and uh, that and those, these and these are the same in writing and pronouns. So ev, ev, these, oh, oh, that, those. Same pronunciation, same writing, but different in meaning when we change the inflections. N, ye, ne. I think you understood what I mean. So if you have a question and something you want to know more about these topics, you should write some comments below. So goodbye, take care.